Ready?
Yep.
That's
That
down.
light just went out.
I'm going to plug it into the server.
And the servers are plugged in over here. These 4 pins are all dead.
Plug it into the server. And you'll see this light go back on in a minute. There.
It's on.
It's on.
Plug this one into there.
Yep.
Did you know that was working?
And it'll come up over here.
That's over here.
And there it is.
And it's working.
Yeah.
So that's the known good and it's working.
Normal it back up.
You want to put the cables back where they were. That's the cable that was originally in the server. And these are still dead.
Yep.
It's putting the known good back into the storage array.
And it's up.
And it's up.
So it looks like a microcode